Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about hip pain. Hip pain is one of the easiest things to eliminate. So, along with maybe neck pain or lower back, because it is muscle pain and muscles just need to relax. So, if you have hip pain, you might have been told that it's coming from your back or that it's you have some kind of deterioration in your joint, or that maybe you have tendinitis or arthritis or bursitis, or maybe your cartilage is worn or whatever. This is the solution, because the problem really all it is tension in the muscles. So first, all we have to do is find out where that source for you is. So first, get yourself a ball. This is a lacrosse ball. It's kind of hard. More commonly, you can find tennis ball. It's a little softer, so maybe that'll work for you. But I recommend you to find the source of your pain, use the floor. Lie on the floor, and in those areas that I said, and just feel around and see what reproduces your pain, what intensifies your pain. Then if you have pain down your leg, then you can go to your side more and then down toward your joint, and just spend some time looking what reproduces that pain, what intensifies that pain. Okay, so once you've done that, then all you have to do is the same thing. The only thing you do is you make sure that the pressure is not too intense, so that you can feel that the pain is there, but it's not too intense, and you can relax on it so the muscle relaxes. And as the muscle relaxes, you can go deeper and deeper. And you can vary the depth by the size of the ball, the hardness of the ball, and the hardness of the surface. Just gotta play with that to get in there and relax on that. 15 minutes of that, you'll have more progress eliminating your pain than probably anything you've done. So that's it, very simple. But what I wanted to mention, many of you have been told that your sciatic pain comes from your lower back. And you might have lower back pain. The thing is that doesn't have any relationship to your sciatica. So if you do, what I recommend here is, what I have here is a sock with 2 tennis balls. And so you can do the same thing with that area on your sacrum, and then you can go up your back. There are 2 places on your back that are usually the most vulnerable, right below where the rib cage ends, because that's one solid piece, and then that's where it first is able to move. And then right before your pelvis begins, at your sacrum. At that point, L5S1 is also often a tender point for people. So with this, you can eliminate that pain also. So that's it. And for almost all of you, it's as simple as that. Finding the source, the physical source, is what we just did. Of course, the real source usually is mental or emotional or spiritual. But that's another video, another story.